Well, here we are trying to put gas in. Has this ever happened to you guys? Just filling her up. Next thing you know, oh, damn it. Oh, we'll try it again. Stupid. In this video, we're going to explain why. Alright guys, so as you saw, when I was at the gas station, I was having just a heck of a time getting this thing filled up with gas. This symptom is also accompanied by a check engine light. So we'll have to investigate that. But the symptoms are often the same as the cause, and I'll explain why here in a little bit. Hey, look at who's there in the background.
Hello, everybody.
Look at that guy. You guys are in for a treat especial. Let's see what the scan. Oh, yeah, look at that. There it is. The old evap code. Now, you might go into the office and they might tell you, bah, just your gas cap. Frequently, it's slightly more than that. So, let's get this thing up in the air and we'll talk about it. All right, so as I was saying, the symptom and the cause are kind of the same. If you're one of those guys that, or gals, that's over here and you get the top tank topped off, and then you're like, oh, I could use a little more, click. I could use a little more, click, click. What's happening is you're overfilling the tank and clogging your charcoal canister up with fuel. And then it doesn't vent back properly and you can't fill your tank. So let's show you how to fix it. All right, friends, so we're underneath the truck and directly in front of the gas tank here, we've got our charcoal canister. We got lucky today. Normally these things can be anywhere. They can be on top of the fuel tank. They can be pinched in. Who knows? But here's your huckleberry. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a couple screwdrivers. We're going to break these tabs free that hold this turd in, and then undo the connections. We've got our one that runs up to the front of the engine, the one that comes up to the top of the tank. That's what I'm talking about when you're overfilling your tank. It's running down in here, filling this thing up with fuel, and then doesn't have a breathe system. You know, like how when you're shotgunning your favorite beverage and you pop that hole in the back of the can, lets free flow go through. Think of it like that. You're pinching off your free throw. Easy for you to say. So we'll just go ahead and we'll place this unit here. Shouldn't take us more than 20 minutes, maybe 30 since we're whole projecting. But we'll get her done, and then we'll try and maybe fill it up with gas and see if it takes it like it should. All right, stay tuned. Here we go. I'll even put you on with some music and a hyperlapse. Not to be confused with a prolapse. All right, so let's go over these connections here. You got big green, that one's a pull-up. You got little blue, that one's a pinch. And then you have the light one here. And that one is just a push up on the bottom white ring. And that disconnects the two clippers that clip onto this. Next thing you got is a 13 millimeter bolt or nut that you just unscrew, and then you're able to go ahead and pull your charcoal canister off. Just that easy. Let's go over and get the new one. Ooh, got our brand new one here. And it's Double Magnet Day, sponsored by the Rock Auto. Actually, not sponsored at all, but got ourselves a early El Camino there.
What year?
That's probably like a 65 or 6, I reckon. Let's go ahead and slice this open here. You got Bob over here just monkeying with that tire there. Oop. Put you back in frame. Really hard to cut and look through the viewfinder and stuff. It's like working great. Ooh, narrowly avoided a cardboard cut there. Okay. Now for the reveal. Hey, quiet down over there. And then we'll compare the two here and we'll see if we got the right one. I can tell you one thing. This one here is about 400% lighter than the first. All right, here we go. We've got them sitting side by each. I've got my voice elevated so the air compressor is not annoying. We just have to swap this mounting tab, take our clicky off of here, move it to this one. I think we've got a winner. What's Bob say about it? He thinks it's a winner?
Oh, it looks pretty good.
Well, looks like a winner.
Looks like it's brand new.
Brand new, and he would be correct. This mounting tab here looks intimidating. It literally just pulls straight off and goes right back on. This guy, you're gonna have to get your little screwdriver, pocket screwdriver, lift up on the tabs, then slide it back over there. And then we're ready to reinstall. Click. Here we go. We can put her back in. All right, let's go ahead and slide this bad boy up in here. Shouldn't take more than a little wink and a nod. Do a little thing. Do a little thing. There you go. Just like that. And then we'll put our nut on, 13 millimeter. We'll put our hoses on. Just kind of, you know, kind of click. There you go. Then we'll run it on down. There she is. She ain't going nowhere. Now all we gotta do, go up in there and reset the code, put some gas in it. Easy. Easy job for today. Bob's still fighting with them tires. He got the losing battle. All right, job well done. Now we'll just go over here to the scanner. We will push this button down here, clear, and then a yes. And then our check engine light will be gone. Our problem shall be fixed. We'll go slap some fuel in this thing, drive around, and I'll report back, but that's how you do her, folks. All right, here we go. Here's the big test. She's gonna take fuel. Oh my. Look at that, folks. She's taking fuel like a champ. I really hope you guys enjoyed that YouTube video. Simple fix, didn't take too long. Moderately expensive. It was about 140 bucks for that charcoal canister. But maybe we learned something today. As always, thank you guys for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks for watching the Hole Up Project.